हम एक दिन काम के लिए नहीं आए तो हमारा वेतन कट हो जाता है। वेतन कट होने के साथ साथ ही हम लोग का डबल काम दे देते हैं, ताकि हम लोग का कोई ओवर टाइम भी नहीं मिलता। हम लोग का हमारी काम का महत्व नहीं है, हमारी पहचान नहीं है। हम जाए तो जाए किसके पास जाए। इसीलिए आज हमने संकल्प लिया है कि हमें सरकार की ओर से एक सामाजिक सुरक्षा चाहिए, हमें मिनिमम वेज चाहिए, हमारे काम की सुरक्षा चाहिए, हमें साप्ताहिक और वार्षिक छुट्टी चाहिए, हमें बोनस चाहिए। हर एक को बोनस मिलता है पर हमें बोनस नहीं मिलता है और चाहिए, ताकि हम काम करते करते पूरी बचपन से लेके पूरी जवानी गुजर देते हैं यही घरेलू काम करते करते, लेकिन हम लोग का कोई महत्व नहीं है। इसीलिए बुढ़ापे के समय हमें पेंशन मिलना चाहिए और हमें हमारे मान सम्मान के लिए सरकार की ओर से ठोस कदम उठाना चाहिए, ताकि हमें भी एक मानव अधिकार मिले, शान से हम जी सकें और जो हम सपना देखते हैं वो सपना को हम अपने परिवार में, अपने जीवन में, अपने भाई बहनों के साथ खुशी बांट सकें।
The Council for Justice and Peace. It is to commemorate the International Domestic Workers Day, which is tomorrow, that we have called for this press conference. And we are also having a silent rally tomorrow. We appeal to all the people to join in this silent rally, which is to demand for all these rights that have been denied, that have been shared by all these domestic workers. First and foremost, we need to acknowledge the great contribution that they are doing, where they have said, if it was not for their work, then some of our people would not be able to take a career and to take a job and to be able to take care of their family. Secondly, there is no job security. There is no senior citizen. When they reach the age of senior citizen, there is no security for that. There are no proper working hours. There is no overtime or no remuneration for the overtime work that they do. There is no proper holiday, proper rest day. And as human beings, we are not machines. We are human beings. We need rest, and it is part of our part of human rights. And so we see how they are exploited by people with whom they are working. And so this is an awareness that we want to bring, and also appeal to the government. Other states have given so many benefits to the domestic workers, so they also need to give the same benefits to the domestic workers, so that people will feel dignified to take up this type of work, which is a great contribution to our society.
Who does that work, which is sometimes they are blamed, sometimes they are unnecessarily blamed. Like they come to us, if we have done also placement, some of them come, then we try to really find out whether that is true. But people are used to blame them. Done Kranti Circle up to Azad Maidan. We will start exactly dot time. It will be 2:30. We will start with it, but they will come and arrive there all at 2 o'clock. So we have to little preparation. Yeah, exactly. First time we are having a rally like this in Goa. Otherwise, we had come together at the hall level, like or little bit in the open, but we have not taken a path like this, and we are.
Who will be the part of the rally?
Domestic workers themselves. Anybody who are, supporters will come. We have invited.
We are also appealing to other people to join them in solidarity.